The process of a sand-making production line involves several steps, and the specific equipment and configuration can vary depending on the desired final product and raw materials. Here's the general overview. Feeding and crushing. Raw material feeding. The process typically starts with feeding raw materials, such as rocks, stones, or gravel, into a vibrating feeder that ensures a consistent flow. Coarse crushing. The feeder delivers the material to a jaw crusher for initial crushing into large chunks. Secondary crushing. The coarsely crushed material might go through another cone crusher or impact crusher for further size reduction. Screening and shaping. Screening. The crushed material is then fed to a vibrating screen to separate different size fractions. Oversized particles are recycled back for further crushing. Sand making. The material with the desired size range enters a sand-making machine, like a vertical shaft impact crusher beside, for final shaping and size reduction to produce sand particles. Sand washing. The produced sand might be washed in a spiral sand washer to remove impurities like dust, clay, and other unwanted particles. If you'd like to know more about specific aspects of the sand-making process or equipment involved, feel free to ask.